The National Museum of Afghanistan in capital Kabul has reopened for the first time since the Taliban seized power in the capital on August 15. Reports suggest the members of the Taliban are now guarding the building that contained artifacts it once tried to smash through. Afghanistan's National Museum has finally been reopened for visitors from home and abroad to introduce the country's history and civilizations for the first time since the Taliban seized power in August. The museum houses artifacts dating from the Paleolithic period around 4400,000 to 1200,000 BC to the 20th century. Although the museum is open for visitors, the number of visitors is still limited as many are unaware about the reopening of the museum.
It's just freshly opened. It's 3 days or 4 days that is opened, and we do not have a lot of foreign visitors. But of course, I mean, the local people, especially people from the villages, they are very happy to come and see the museum.
The museum was once badly damaged as many of its collections had been looted during the factional fighting in the 1990s. The war-weary Afghans witnessed a political transition as the Taliban took over the capital Kabul on August 15 and announced the formation of a caretaker government on September 7. Meanwhile, the director of the National Museum of Afghanistan said during the recent political change in the country, luckily, nothing has been stolen, nothing has been broken, and nothing has been damaged in the museum. He exuded happiness that museum authorities were able to provide better security and safety of the collections. Despite reopening of the museum, it has been reported that like many civil servants of Afghanistan, the museum staff had not received their salaries since August.